Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Tenta channel again, and today we are in a village. We are going to visit an oldest woman of the village. Today we are going to have fun and cook food with that our mama, our woman. So it's going to be just a western. And right now we have just arrived at Mukade's place, our judge, our mama. In all this village here, as you see, Mukade stays here alone. So today she's going to tell us the story of this place as we are having some food together. Yeah, this is cabbage. And as you know, before cooking, you have to first get water, and we first want to have some water here, the one we are going to use to cook our food today. You see this water like this, but it's very clean. This is the water they use in this village to cook, to do everything. So it's very clean, just know. Yeah, so and this is the water we are going to use today to cook our food. Okay, kasembao. No, this is how they cook matoke, green bananas. This is how they cook it. You're gonna see how it's gonna look like after cooking.
Gola bya isewo wechideya.
Yeah, and as you see, it's very hot. We feel like we need some fruits from this same tree we have here around, because there's a lot of trees around. This is a mango tree, and we are going to get some fruits. Yeah, and this is our Mukade. She's here cooking us food. Yeah.
Awaka waffe walungi tewalina buzibu, tubeerawo ne mukadde waffe atukozezza bulungi. Tusobodde okubeerawo tetulina buzibu, tulya tunywa tetulina buzibu, n'oluzzi lwaffe lutuyambyeko nnyo olwo, tubeereddewo nnyo, tetulinawo buzibu bwonna.
Yeah, thank you so much, brother father. He told us a lot of things. And so we are using firewood to cook our food today.
and you have to blow it. Keep on blowing it to get more fire from it.
This is our food is cooking. Nothing's already inside. Just keep boiling. Yeah. I won't take it. And we need some salt in our food to give it that good taste.
Ya mazzi ge baleese gali yebe ate buno buti
Bwa muzaffalo.
bukoola kola bwawanga bwanaguddeyo eri anti ebigenda biveeku
Oba kitegeera brother?
tulye
Yeah, it's time to eat.
genda esiyani nzunga kisiimidde zawuze
Zones that separate, but in my heart, though you are gay. Through the screen, I see your face. It's not enough, it's ain't far. Every word you send my way feels like a touch far away. But look to one day you're here with me. Though you're far away, not to see
yo
I've just got my plate.
eyo kya
Nze njagala nsoke enku malirize.
wanje kano kayinza okuŋondera
Manyo.
anyo siganuma
Wow, that is good. Ekyo kirungi walayi. Kuba manyo galuma bu.
amanyo siganuma
Yeah, me I'm here already enjoying my food. The food is just nice.
Naba njagala oyo mwana mukadde yali mujjayo. Njagala byonna
Very nice. I enjoy the food. We are here enjoying food with Mukade. And I say Mukade, I mean the oldest woman in the village. Jaja wa.
even though the miles stretch wide, distance fades in borderline.